How to fix call waiting in Realme C53 or C55. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest variant will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest variant, then update it to latest variant. After update a latest variant, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and then on top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.